Your outreach emails are landing from some generic platform address, not your own domain. And that's costing you trust before a lead even opens the message. Vyroq fixes that with your own SMTP connection. Head to Email SMTP under Channels and hit plus, Add SMTP. Give the connection a label so you know which server this is. Then enter the host and port your provider gave you. Choose SSL implicit TLS on port 465 for most providers, or use STARTTLS port 587 if that's what yours requires. Vyroq shows a hint right under the host field either way. Now the part that actually authenticates you. Username, password, and the from email your leads will see in their inbox. Type it once and you're most of the way there. Want a friendly reply address or custom IMAP overrides for a provider like Microsoft 365? Expand, advanced settings, everything else is optional. Hit save, then flip. Use as default for outbound email. Every campaign now sends through your domain, not a shared platform address. That's a fully configured SMTP connection. Your identity, your inbox, your deliverability. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.